Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Tech YouTube channel. Today I will demonstrate how to use the mpileup to convert the BAM file into BCF file by the BCF tool. In the next part, I will demonstrate how to convert the BCF file into the readable VCF file by this same tool. In my previous video, I have already demonstrated how I made this Marge BAM file. So check out my previous video. You can also follow my whole pathway and the tutorial to make this BAM file and genomic variant analysis. So let's start with mpileup to convert the BAM file into BCF file. So here you can see it is the BAM file of with ethanol sample, and this is without ethanol sample BAM file. For this, just clear it. mpileup, just first do VCF tool and m pile up, and let's check it. So here is the total usage. Just copy the whole script and write it on the note. So let's make the script to do it. So first I have to use the BCF tool mpileup. After that I will use the thread of 4 and I will use the capital E. So it is for recalculate the BAQ. The BAQ is for the base alignment quality. And the capital O. So capital O for the output type. So B for the compressed BCF file. After that you have to give the faster reference file. Let's copy it. So here is the reference file is our SCDBC faster file. Just copy the name. After that I have to enter the input file. So here is the input file. First I will do this one, just copy to the name. So it is the first input file, and adding a break, and again I am using the VCF tool, and it is call for variant. So here I am also using the 4th thread. Let's copy, paste. Let's check the VCF call. Okay, so here I'll use the multi-allelic caller for M, and the variant only. So for V, so I am just mixing the MV, then the capital O for output type. So it is, I am choosing the BCF B, and the small o, the output file name. So the output file name, I can use this file name instead of the BAM. I will use BCF. So it is the total script. Let's run this command for variant calling. Let's clear it and paste and enter. Okay, it is done. Let's check it. Here you can see the BCF file of this input file. Let's do it for the second sample. So it is done. Let's check it. So here is the second BCF file. So just open it. So you can see it is not a readable file. To read this BCF file, you have to run the another command. Let's clear it, and that is VCF, then view, without, and I'm going to convert this file into exactly same name with VCF. Let's enter. So it is done. Let's check it. So here you can see this is the VCF file of this BCF file. Let's open it. So it is not very easy to read. Let's control all and copy and go to the LibreOffice and paste it here. So I guess it is well. Let's OK. Now you can see here, this is the chromosome number, this is the position, this is the reference sequence, and the altered sequence is also here. This is the quality, this is other information of this VCF file. In my next video, I will demonstrate the SNP EFF tutorial and how to use this VCF file to make the variant analysis result. So don't miss it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. For more bioinformatics tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.